Hey guys, today we're going to talk about homophones. And homophones are when you have two words that are the same word, but they're spelled differently and they both have a different meaning. So that means you have to pay attention to the rest of the sentence to know which one it's talking about, because you have to think about what the word means and you need to figure out which definition would fit best. So, for example, we have the word night and night. They're the same word, but they're spelled differently. And this word has a silent K at the beginning. So this word means the opposite of day. It means when it's dark out and there are stars in the sky or the moon. This knight is somebody who protects somebody, who wears the coat of armor and it's metal. Then we have one and one. This is the number one, and this is one, like I won a game. So if I was looking at a sentence and I need to figure out which word needed to go in which sentence, I would want to say, if I was looking at the word one, if it said, I have one pair of shoes that I like, I wouldn't want to say this one because this is I won the game. And that wouldn't make sense because the pair of shoes is not a game and it's not something that you win. Instead, it's you're talking about a number of a number of shoes, I mean. Then we have hole and hole. The pink word hole without the W means I dug a hole. It's something in the ground or something in clothing or something that we all know what a hole is. It's something that has that means something's broken or, like I said, something you dig in the ground. This hole means the entire thing. So I ate a whole pizza all by myself. Means I ate the entire thing. I ate all of it. Then we have write and write. This write means that you write with a marker or a pencil or a pen. This right is the direction, so it's the opposite of left. And if you're trying to figure out which is your right hand and which is your left hand, you can hold up your hands and make their fingers into an L. If the L is facing the correct way, which for you in the video, it's going to be the opposite, but it would be your left hand. If it's the wrong way, it would be my right hand. So facing you, if I were to turn and face this way, this is my left hand because it makes the L correctly. And this is my right hand because it doesn't make the L correctly. That was just another side note, not part of our lesson. So now we have two more words, and there's lots of different homophones, but I'm only giving you a couple examples. So here we have deer and deer. This deer is the animal deer, and this deer is like what you would write in a letter. Only when you write it in a letter, it has an uppercase letter because it's the beginning of the sentence. So, dear Miss Reyes, dear Sebastian, whatever you're writing in your letter, dear Grandma. And here we make sure that it's spelled with E-A-R, and here it's E-E-R. So again, homophones are two words that are the same but have different spellings as well as different meanings. And our last words are real and real. This real means that it's real it's not pretend or it's not fake. This real is when you're fishing, what you have on the fishing rod that you spin is the reel. So for your homework today for homophones, you're going to be putting the two words that are the same together. And if you have any questions, you can join me for my office hours at 1 o'clock. Have a great day. Bye, guys.